Dear students, Namaskaram. This video is for the students of class 10th who are going to appear for the CBSE board examination in the subject Sanskrit. Already I have done one video related to Sanskrit grammar, and in this video also I would like to discuss a part of question paper, that is Ashuddhi Samshodhanam. How to write the sentence correctly or to avoid mistakes. Okay, so that we will discuss in this video. So kindly subscribe the channel, then you will be getting notification regarding my all videos. I hope it may help you to get full marks in Sanskrit. I will read out the questions and I will explain the mistakes also. Sarve baligaha agachan. One question. Sarve baligaha agachan. Sarve is wrong. Sarve is pulling, baligaha striling. Okay. A sarve is the visheshanam of baligaha. So visheshanam and vishesham should be same linga, same vibhakti and same vajanam. Sarve pullingam. Its Srilinga is Sarvaha. Sarve Pulling, Sarvaha Sriling, Sarvani Nabumsaling. So here Sarve is wrong. Sarvaha Balikaha is right answer. Next question. Sikshakaha Adiva Yogyaha Asan. Sikshakaha Adiva Yogyaha. Yogyaha is wrong. The mistake here is Yogyaha Egavajan. Sikshakaha Bahuvajan. So Yogyaha should be changed into Yogyaha. Sikshakaha Adiva Yogyaha Asa. Bhavan Sukhi Bhavantu. Bhavan Ekavajan. Bhavantu is Bahuvajan. Bhavantu is wrong. Bhavan Sukhi Bhavatu is right answer. Chhatraha Kakshayam Kolahalam Karodi. Chhatraha Kakshayam Kolahalam Karodi. Children are shouting in the class. So Chhatraha Bahuvajan, Karodi Ekavajan. Verb should be according to subject. If subject is Ekavajan, verb also Ekavajan. Subject is Divajan, verb also Divajan. Subject is Bahuvajan, verb also Bahuvajan. So here Chhatraha Bahuvajan, verb Ekavajan only. So verb to be changed into Bahuvajan. Karodi should be changed into Kurvanti. Kurvanti is the Bahuvajan of Karodi. Chhatraha Kakshayam Kolahalam Kurvanti is the right sentence. Manaha Chanjalaha Asti. Manaha Chanjalaha Asti. Manaha is Nabumsakaling. Chanjalaha Pulling. Chanjala is the Visheshanam of Manaha. So Visheshanam and Vishesham should be same linga, same vibhakti, same role only. So Manaha Chanjalam is the right answer. Manaha Chanjalam Asti. Aham Shoha Dilli Nagaram Agacham. Agacham past tense. In the sentence, if there is Shoha, the verb should be future tense. Shoha. Shoha means tomorrow. For yesterday, the word is Hyaha. For today, the word is Adya. Adya, Hyaha, Shoha. Adya today, Hyaha yesterday, Shoha tomorrow. In the sentence, if Hyaha is there, the verb should be past tense. Adya is there, verb should be present tense. If in the given sentence Shoha is there, the verb should be future tense. Here Aham Shoha Dilli Nagaram Agacham. The Shoha is there, but verb is past tense. So verb should be future. Future of Agacham is Gamishyami. Saha Baliga Dhyanena Padati. Saha Baliga wrong. Baliga Strilinga, Saha Pulling. Sa Baliga is right. Krida Kshetre Chhatraha Padataha. Chhatraha Padataha. Padataha wrong. Chhatraha Patanti is the right answer. Hyaha Vidyalasya Varshikotsavaha Bhavishyati. I told you, when if there is Hyaha, Hyaha meaning yesterday, if there is Hyaha in the sentence, verb should be past. So Hyaha Vidyalasya Varshikotsavaha Abhavat. Abhavat is the past tense of Bhavishyati. Balivardaha Sharirena Durbalaha. आसीत्. दुर्बलः should be there, but in the given sentence it is durbalam. बलिवर्धः शरीरेण दुर्बलम् आसीत् is given in the question. दुर्बलम् is wrong. दुर्बलः is right. महावृक्षाः सेवितव्यः. महावृक्षाः बहुवचन, सेवितव्यः एकवचन. सेवितव्याः is the right answer. आवां विद्यालये गच्छामः. आवां गच्छामः. Okay, gachamah we are using when there is subject vayam. So here avam gachavah is the right answer. Saha adyane samlagna asti. Saha pullinga, samlagna striling. Okay, so saha adyabane samlagnaha is right answer. Shwaha ramaha vidyalayam gacchati. Shwaha gacchati. Shwaha tomorrow, gacchati present tense. Gacchati should be gamishyati. Tum sarve pustakani. I told you sarve pullinga, sarvaha strilinga, sarvani nabumsalinga. Here sarve pustakani. Sarve pustakani. Pustakani nabumsalinga. So sarve is wrong. Sarvani pustakani is right. Ganga Himalayena nirgacchati. If the word nirgacchati is there, there should be Panchami Vibhakti. Ganga Himalayat nirgacchati. Okay, Himalayena nirgacchati wrong. Himalayat nirgacchati. Okay, Panchami. When we use the word nirgacchati, there should be Panchami. Aham Janagasya Saha. Similar mistake here also. Janagasya Saha. If the word is Saha in the sentence, there should be Tritiya. Saha Shabda Yoge Tritiya. Aham Janagena Saha Nagaram Gamishyami. It's a very important question. Saha meaning with. When we use the word Saha, there should be Tritiya Vibhakti. Aham Janagena Saha Nagaram Gamishyami. Janaha Simhena Bidaha. When we use the word Bidaha, there should be Panchami. Simhad Bidaha is right answer. Simhad Bidaha. Tatra Sarvaha Balagaha. Again Sarvaha Balagaha. Sarvaha wrong. Sarve Balagaha. Sarve Balagaha is right. Sarvaha Balikaha is right. Balikaha. If we are using Balikaha, Sarvaha. Balagaha, Sarve. Sarve Balagaha, Sarvaha Balikaha. Nadyam Jalaha Nasti. Jalaha is Nabumsagalinga. There should not be pulling. Here Jalaha is given as pulling. Wrong. Nadyam Jalam Nasti is right answer. Shyamaha Tava Mitraha Asti. Mitraha is wrong. Mitram is Nabumsagalinga. Shyamaha Tava Mitram Asti. Shyamaha Tava Mitram Asti is right. Mitram friend. Okay, Mitraha is wrong. Aham Gita Padishyamaha. Padishyamaha is wrong. Aham Gita Padishyami is right. Te atra bhojanam akurva. Te atra bhojanam akurva. Akurva is a past tense, but it is not according to subject. Te is a subject, so the verb should be akurvan. Akarod akurudam agurvan. Te agurvan is right. Vanaro manishyasya saha. Manishyasya saha wrong. Manishyena saha. Manishyena saha. Tritiya vibhakti should be there with the saha. Gaigaha Gidani Gayadi. Gaigaha Gayadi wrong. Gayadi ekavajan, Gaiga bahuvajan. So Gaigaha Gidani Gayandi. Saha Balagaha Gadami again comes. Gadami. Gadami. If the verb is Gadami, subject aham, but here subject is Saha. Saha Balagaha Gadati is right answer. Gadami wrong. Gadati. Kim Tvam Hyaha Agamishyasi. Hyaha. If subject hyaha is there, there should be past tense. Agacchaha. Tvam is subject. So agacchaha. Kim tvam hyaha agacchaha is the right answer. Saha udyanam vishalam asti. Saha udyanam. Saha is vishesham of udyanam. Udyanam nabumsalinga, saha pullinga. Okay, so it is saha is wrong. Udyanam napumsakalinga, so saha should be changed into tad. Saha pulling, sa striling, tad napumsakaling. So tad udyanam is right answer. Aham adya vidyalayam na gamishyamaha. Aham is wrong. Vayam vidyalayam adya na gamishyamaha is right. Vayam gamishyamaha. Subject is aham gamishyami. Aham gamishyami, vayam gamishyamaha. Chhatraha gramam gacchandi. Chhatraha gramam gacchandi. Chhatraha gramam gacchati is right answer. Tasya bhashane anege nunataha asan. Anege nunataha. Anege wrong. Nunataha striling. So anege is pulling, anekaha striling. Okay, so you have to note down. I told sarve pulling, sarvaha striling, sarvani napumsakaling. Similarly, anege pulling, anekaha striling, anegani napumsakaling. Another word also is there, similar word, bahavaha pulling, bahavaha striling, bahuni napumsakaling. Once again I will repeat, sarve, sarvaha, sarvani, anege, anekaha, anegani, bahavaha, bahavaha, bahuni. Okay, so that is very important. It may come for the examination. So anege nunataha is wrong, anegaha nunataha is right. Edani pustakam. Pustakam ekavachanam, edani bahuvachanam. Okay, so edani wrong. Etad pustaka. Etad pustaka. Otherwise, edani pustakani. Edani pustakani or etad pustaka. Mama shikshakaha yogyaha asid. Mama shikshakaha yogyaha asid. My teachers are well qualified. So mama shikshakaha yogyaha asan, not asid. Shikshakaha bahuvajan, so verb also should be bahuvajan. Asan is the bahuvajan of asid. Asid, astam, asan. Pustake panchadasha paഠam sandhi. Next question. Paഠam